Hi guys! So, naatay bagong balita. This is very interesting. Again, I am not a lawyer. I just know how to read. That's it. So, karong adlaw nagpagawas og manifestation and motion ang the Office of the Solicitor General or the OSG. Kung mangutana mo unsa ng OSG, again, I'm not a lawyer. Ang OSG mo na siya ang lawyer sa ato ang government. So, sila ang dapat manubag sila ang dapat mo reply atong demand sa Supreme Court na mo reply sila atong sa petition na gi-file for FPRRD. Okay. So, ambakon lang nako sa pinaka-important na part. Dito ata sa number or paragraph 4. Paragraph 4 nila na manifestation. Ana sila. In steadfast adherence to the sovereign decision, the OSG has consistently maintained, both in its submissions before the ICC and in its public statements, that the case of the Philippines was not admissible and that the ICC failed to timely exercise its jurisdiction. Consequently, the Philippine government has no legal obligation to cooperate with the ICC nor recognize any process emanating from the ICC following the effectivity of the country's withdrawal from the Rome Statute. Naapa, paragraph 5. Considering the OSG's firm position that the ICC is barred from exercising jurisdiction over the Philippines and that the country's investigative, prosecutorial, and judicial system is functioning as it should, the OSG may not be able to effectively represent respondents in these cases and is constrained to recuse itself from participating herein. So, unsa may pasabot ato, girl? It means dili mo tingog ang OSG sa gibuhat karon sa current administration with the 4 traitors in the Philippines sa ilang gibuhat na paghatod dito sa The Hague kay FPRRD. So, alam nyo na. I'm not a lawyer. Kabalo lang kung mubasa. Di man po ko nga nakabugo para di ko kasabot. Right?